मुझे दो कर दें
We are in room number 2. It's a nice big room. Study table here. This is your luggage rack. It's a nice big bed. We have an extra room here. There's the cupboard here. Tea, coffee and all the essentials here. There's a fridge, mini fridge there, study table here, and you get a nice view from here. Get a very nice view from here. That's the washroom. Very spacious. Very nice, big, spacious washroom. It's very senior citizen friendly because they have grab bars all over, you know, so you don't have a problem. Well set up. And cooling system and the AC, so if you feel very cold you can always turn on the heater. We are at Devdar Woods. Look at the beautiful scenery here. It's awesome. There's pine trees all over. Very serene, very peaceful. It's lovely. It's just too good. Devdar Woods is in Landour, Uttarakhand. Our room is also very spacious and nice. We are enjoying our stay here. It's lovely. Very peaceful.